Hello everyone, welcome back to our new lesson, and today we're going to talk about a common mistake that is related to actual or current. Okay, sometimes we or learners make mistake when they use actual or current. Sometimes they use them wrongly in their sentences. Okay, so let's get started. So to describe something that exists now, okay, that is the main point you have to remember. If you want to talk about something that exists right now, okay, you can take, you can talk, you can take, you can see, or you can feel. You can feel the existence of something. So if anything is like that, right, that means exists now, which one you should use? Actual or current? Okay, so I'm not going to tell you until I finish with the examples. Okay. I'm not at all happy in my actual job. So you are talking about a job, your actual job, and you are not very much happy with that. Okay, is it correct? I don't know. I'm not at all happy in my current job. Okay, so actual and current, both the words have been used in two sentences. I mean, each one is used in each sentence, okay? So, which one is correct, you think? Actual or current? So, I've given a hint in here, so to describe something that exists now. So, in these examples, which one you think? Which job exists right now? And of course, this job exists right now, but as you were talking about that job you are doing right now, you shouldn't use actual, right? Okay. Rather, you should use current, because you are talking about something that exists right now. Okay. So that's all about the common mistake, actual or current. If you want to talk about something that exists right now, you shouldn't say or use actual. Rather, you should use current. Okay. So I hope you understood the lesson, and if you did, just hit the thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel, EngVlog. Hope to see you. Bye-bye.